Okay, guys, a lot of people are watching Lion Group Holdings, LGHL, and I see this pattern a lot. And I made a video way back. Yeah, if we touch this upper counter channel, that is the big bullish momentum we're getting, right? And if we had that retest back to this EMA 20, is a nice conservative bounce. I am not really liking this play a lot because the EMA 50 is not at the very bottom. Okay, so the EMA 50 is going to be where the trend is uptrending. This is, to me, this is just a false breakout. We go up and then we come crashing down, and I can see this keep going down and down and down. And you can look through all here, and it's the same scenario as this candle. We hit this upper counter channel, which is at extreme over settings, and that uses average to range, and it can't be sustained up in here. But we want to see couple daily candles maintained above this EMA 50. And if we drop back below it, like right in here, we just get a bounce effect at the bottom EMA, which makes decent gain right in here. It makes a 20%, and then it just keeps going down and down and down and down. And that's what I see with here. So I'm trying to understand what's all the hype about LGHL. We hit the 50, go down, hit the 50, go down, and every time it did that, it kept going down and down. So I don't know what people are seeing online. Maybe is there a catalyst? Acquire 60% investment equity stake and are good to valued at 4.8 million using 2.88 worth of ads priced at. So that was back in August. 10 million investment September. Oh yeah, okay. I'm just reading lots of it. Meeting approves key proposals, changes up. I'm not really seeing anything. The chart is the no bias thing that I see as yeah, it looks like to me something like this where we had this higher lows and you can clearly see a break lower, test this upper trend channel and then come back down is what I'm kind of seeing here, right? And then also, like I said, with the EMA 50 is still at the very top right in here, this light blue band, and that's going to act as major resistance. So let's just say we come and retest the EMA 50. That's only a 5% gain. We would have to make a massive move to really make any of this risk worth it because it's a downtrend. You know, if we go all the way up in here, that's only 20%. That's only 20% gain. So I'm trying to understand. To me personally, just take it as your worth. I don't think this is a good stock. You have a break of the down, or definitely a downtrend. This is a false breakout. Price goes all the way up, touches this upper counter channel, which qualifies for my momentum trades, but I got to see the EMA 50 at the bottom, and it just did stay up a lot of candles above it, right? And then you know we have a new lower lows coming in, and right here I can easily see a pattern where if you draw your trend channel here, I see a pattern like this. You know, we're coming in and we're gonna come out here and we touch the upper, come down to the lower, touch the upper, lower, touch the upper, lower, and I think we keep going down and down in that spiral, right? A lot of people might say, well, that looks like that could be a potential bull flag, right? Absolutely, I don't think so. It's coming way too far down, and if we held these key levels on the EMA 20, then sure. But like I said, everything in my opinion is just influencers just trying to pump this thing. Could it go up? I don't know if they're holding bags way up in here. They thought, you know, they were chasing a momentum play, but in all seriousness, I just don't. It's got, you know, I guess decent volume. It's like really dying out. Maybe the sellers are getting kind of tired, but yeah, this massive volume of 40 million, and then we got 8 million, 6 million, 3, 2, 1. So there's not like a lot of acquiring of shares, right? It looks like it's dying out, and it could be a slow, gradual downtrend. Maybe do an RS. Has this ever did a reverse split? Let's see. We did a reverse split back in July 2023, so they could absolutely do that. Make the price above $1, make it attractive again, just like how XTIA did. You know, this is the same setups I'm telling you guys. We got to be aware of this. False breakout. We get above the 50. We come crashing down in the next day. And guess what? There's no support here, right? It's the same scenario here where you break the lower lows, you come back under here, EMA 50 is acting as resistance. Is it really worth a gamble of a trade? Absolutely not. Sure, you could get a random dead cat bounce in there, but to me, in my personal opinion, more often than not, you're going to lose on these trades. So I'm trying to go over some of the stocks that a lot of people are like, yeah, well, everyone's pumping this stock, and I'm looking at it, and I go back, and I'm like, you know, these are the stocks that will get you in trouble, where a lot of people are like sheep following a stock, whoever sells first, whoever holds the egg last is going to get wrecked, right? So they might be able to pump it up here some, but the technicals, the fundamentals, and everything about this is going to get crushed by algos. So the more you buy, the more the algos are looking to sell. So you're really fighting a losing game rather than playing a stock that, for example, in the Discord, we play QBTS. Amazing company, strong support using momentum trades where we hit this upper counter channel, we come back to this EMA 50, where that's what I wanted to see for LGHL. We don't got this, and we made over 30% in one day. Example is Lay's. These are stronger companies where they're going to have the 50 at the bottom. They have better fundamentals. We hit the 50, and guess what? Guess the gain you made on this company. We made a 93%, and all these were alerted in the Discord. Next company is DATS. We come back up above this upper counter, and we look for the 50 to be the bottom. And since it hasn't hit the 10, and this is a first touch in the 10, we take that bounce on that 10, and that's a 132% gain. Those are the setups I'm looking at. I can go on and on how a lot of these plays pan out, right? OPTT, another one that I was talking about in the Discord. We come up and we make a bullish trend. If you are above my counter channel and there's multiple candles staying above, right? We touch the 5, we bounce out. I look for those EMA 10 and the EMA 50 levels. Those are my favorite. And look at this bounce right in here from the 10. We make it 26% in one day. Playing a stock like this, LGHL, you're playing with fire. It's just a really hard stock to where a lot of people are pumping it and you're just blindly following it, in my opinion. Nothing about the chart is telling me a good story about it. So your ball, the 50 is at the very top. So yeah, you might get above the 50 here or get a little pump, but the gains are just not worth it. So I just wanted to do that analysis. I can show you guys plenty of stocks. If you use my system to a T, you will win way over 90% of your trades. How to trade momentum stocks, and this stock is how to trade against the trend, because this is trading against the trend. I look for stocks to be near this green band, or I look for massive time distance, which we don't have. We just recently hit the EMA 20. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but this is just how I've been trading. I know there's tons and tons of strategies. Take it how it is. I just see this happen too many times, okay? If you guys want to join the premium Discord and get alerted on the actual plays I like, get real-time alerts, exactly why I like them with analysis and everything, fundamentals, technicals that actually work, and how I've been trading full-time doing this exact strategy, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do to become a member is just hit day trade alerts under the subscription tab, and you're going to get a very unique day trading strategy on how I sell credit spreads to make you money every day that nobody probably ever does. And it actually works. It is a hidden strategy that I'm excited to tell you about, and then you get my swing trade alerts along with that for a package of $12 a month. And if you subscribe on your computer, you will avoid the iOS fee. So it's all for only $12 a month. If you don't like it, cancel anytime. But I promise you, if you put the effort in, watch my videos, put a little, watch the videos, you put your resource into it, you're going to want to get into it. Just like going to a gym, you pay for, $10 every month to go to a gym, you're more inclined to learn about it, right? And that's the purpose of this, is not to be just a signals Discord, but actually teach you guys what I'm doing. If you hit server shop here, you can read about the 2 memberships. They're not popping for me, but basically just swing trades at $6. Day and swing trading plus is my best, and that's $12 a month. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'm excited for next week. And I'm gonna make a video of a watch list of all the stocks I'm looking for January 13th. So stay tuned for that, and happy trading, guys.